I want this information available to everybody because I don't want anybody to suffer from a disease that they don't need to, and I don't want anyone to lose someone they love because of an autoimmune disease. It is National Autoimmune Disease Awareness Month, and what I want you to be aware of is that autoimmune disease is reversible. My name is Dr. Brooke Goldner, and I'm the best-selling author of Goodbye Lupus because I myself reversed my own lupus 14 years ago, and I dedicate my life to helping other people do that every single day using supermarket foods. I just got a message today. One of my clients who was in my 6-week rapid recovery group, she posted on Facebook and Instagram this message. It says, after 2 years of suffering from the horrible daily pain of lupus and being told it's incurable, I received the best news today. My doctor got my lab work back and told me I have no signs of lupus. Everything on my labs came out normal. That's after 6 weeks of changing her diet. Now, I want this information available to everybody because I don't want anybody to suffer from a disease that they don't need to, and I don't want anyone to lose someone they love because of an autoimmune disease that could have been reversed. And that is why I teach my entire healing protocol of how to go to the supermarket and change your health forever. I teach it for free. If you haven't come to my free classes yet, now's your chance. Starting Monday this week, Monday the 18th, all the way through to the following Sunday, I'll be teaching my entire nutrition healing protocol for free and answering all of your questions. And I've been doing that for years now, every few months, and every time I do it, people tell me that this information saved their life. Listen, I want you to get the health that you deserve, but I can only show up and teach and answer questions. You have to show up as well, and you have to do the work to take back your health. If you're skeptical, that's great. You should be skeptical. It means you're smart. But don't put your hands over your ears, okay? This is free information, and it might just save your life. So that's what I want you to be aware of for Autoimmune Disease Awareness Month. I can't wait to help you get your health back. Make sure you say hello when you come to my classes. Go ahead and click on the link and join the classes. I'll see you there.